Hello, welcome to another tutorial on how you can practice piano without an actual piano. So we're going to try an isometric exercise where you put your hands together like a prayer position. And to prepare for this exercise, I want you to make sure all your fingers are touching. Fingertips, palms, thumbs, pinky. Now, slowly bring the palms apart with the fingertips touching until the fingers are in a curved position. So this is an isometric exercise that you can practice when you're out and about, waiting in line. Just practice seeing what this feels like. Kind of keep everything relaxed, see what it feels like when you tense out the fingers, but you're gonna see if you can just feel the same amount of tension between each finger. Now you're gonna isolate each finger in this curved position. You're gonna let go. While the other fingers are touching, you're gonna let go of your thumb, and you're without putting any tension in your other fingers, you're just going to tap each other, tap each thumb together with the same amount of tension. See if you can do that 8 times for each finger with the same amount of tension, but make sure the other fingers are nice and relaxed. Just do it for every single finger, maybe 8 times each. You can do this while you're waiting in line at the grocery store. This is going to be the hardest finger. Do you see finger 4? Because this is one of the weakest fingers, finger 4 and 5. So make sure that the rest of your fingers don't lose their touch. And your pinky's gonna have a hard time too, but if you can do that, you can practice for piano without a piano. Try this too. Don't forget to give your hands some stretches as well. You can stretch your hands like this, like this, like this. I hope you enjoyed that. For more tips, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, let me know what else you'd like to see on this channel, and I will respond as fast as I can. Stay tuned for the next video. Don't go anywhere.